Hi guys, it's Kaz here from Nice Ship and welcome to part 2 of our MSC World Europa ship tour. I've put a link to part 1 in the description box below. So we start this video on deck 18 forward or front of the ship in the Botanic Garden and indoor family Solarium. There are day beds and comfy seating, but you'll have to be quick to grab one of those. Here's a big jacuzzi with perfect views out to sea or of your destination. There's also one on the other side, and there are also some smaller jacuzzis around. This was filmed early in the morning so as not to disturb anyone's peace, otherwise you'd see the loungers set out. It has a very large pool which was popular with families. Let's go upstairs to the upper level where you'll find table tennis, more lounges, the bar and table football. Heading out of the Solarium, you will see La Plage Pool, the outdoor pool. The pool here is divided into two with a shallow bit in between. Of course there are lots of lounges and some tiered seating, and down each side of the pool area are some tables and chairs where you can sit down and enjoy complimentary poolside burgers and snacks available nearby, and also ice cream at an extra cost. One side of this seating is a smoking area. There's a large screen TV, but we never saw any movies scheduled here. Here's a quick time lapse of the outdoor pool area. Next to the pool, deck 18, is the Il Mercato Buffet Restaurant. This sits under the ship's other buffet restaurant on deck 19, but we'll get to that bit later. Both buffets offer plenty of seating, including tables that look directly down onto the road promenade. The two buffets had slightly different opening times. For example, Il Mercato opened 7 till 11 for breakfast, whereas La Brasserie opened 6:30 to 10. Check out opening times in your daily programme. Both have the same food on offer, while Il Mercato has 24-hour drink station, teas, coffees and waters, and late night snacks. We found this tended to be the busiest of the two buffet restaurants. The food was good, but the choices sometimes seemed limited. Coming out of the buffet is the Zen Pool at the aft or back of the ship. This is an adults only area. There are lots of lounges and 2 medium-sized no-frills pools, and right at the back we found a glass walkway looking down on deck 8 World Promenade. We love the comfy mattresses by the side of the pool. There is a shaded seating area and a bar with a view of the electric palm trees on the World Promenade. Deck 19 midship is where you'll find Doorway Milan the kids clubs. These clubs are divided by age group: 6 months to 2 years, 3 to 6 years, 7 to 11 years, 12 to 14 years, and teens 15 to 17 years, and are included in your cruise fare. Anyone can use the arcade style games in the Hall of Games at an extra cost. Also on deck 19, La Brasserie, the other buffet on the ship, 1 deck above Il Mercato. When we were there seemed to be less stations opened compared to the other buffet, but this could have been because it was low season and the ship wasn't at full capacity. But we often ate here as it was quieter and the food options were the same in both buffets. Check out this unique space. It's a sheltered patio style space, technically in the open air, but also sheltered overlooking the World Promenade. A glass bridge walk-through connects you to the other side of the buffet, again with views over the promenade. On deck 20 midship you will find the gym. This is a large 8,000 square foot gym with the usual machines and weights. Also scheduled fitness classes and personal training. The Sportsplex features an indoor multi-sport court for tennis, basketball, football, roller skating and bumper cars. Mostly included, but there is an extra charge for the bumper cars. There is a dedicated small bar, the Box Bar. Deck 20 aft is where you'll find the Venom drop slide. This takes you all the way down to Deck 8 World Promenade. The Surfers Bar is a cute outdoor bar where the seats are particularly uncomfortable. The Aurora Borealis Aqua Park is great for families and features 4 water slides, including VR technology, and is the fleet's largest water park at sea. There's also a section dedicated to small children featuring water guns and misters. Here is a quick time-lapse video of Deck 20. The forward decks, Deck 20 and 21, are dedicated yacht club areas, yacht club restaurants, Solarium, sun deck and bars, which we sadly had no access to. Deck 21 is a small sun deck with a large jacuzzi. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider a like and subscribe to our channel. It's free and really helps us out.